Well, it's the crack of dawn. Saturday morning, we're headed to the Old Beach Farmers Market. Right there. I'm waiting for my leader to come out of the house. We have to be there at 8 to set up for a 9 o'clock opening. We'll see how it goes. Could be a ripper. Could be a few tickets. One never knows. So like going to the land of Nala. Well, we got 20 minutes to go. We had the biscuit truck this morning. Seafood guy, he's getting set up. The Cromwell produce lady, she's not coming. I'm not going all the way down there. There's nothing changed.
I'm telling him to cook some. I'm just talking.
Line right up as far as I can see. There's a leader. The fig. The leader. My leader. Honda. Tent weights. No need today. No breeze. Look at that. Not even a whimper. I like it. Well, things are starting to hop. We got our first customer. Cutco, Woostal, Tinkles. A little bit of everything. I'm all ready to go. We have some new customers today. One on the left has one knife and the one on the right has two. They're having a ride down the river. And we got some knives coming in. Let's go see what we got. Cutco. No. Woostals. No.
No. That's a classic.
Yeah. You got a picture of them yet? Well, we're wrapping up. I don't know what kind of day we had. I think it's a pretty good day. One lady brought us 26 knives. That's a good start to the day. The fans ready to go in. Getting the tables ready to go in. I'll see you in the recliner. Well, I'm home. I missed the ripper by one. But soon, I'll be very busy making figs. They're everywhere. I've never seen anything like it since I've had this little tree. But another 8 or 10 days or so, me and the birds will have a good time. And the wasp and the June bugs. Thursday morning I had one of these at 7:30. They run this camera down your throat and they look at the valves in your heart. I have two that are dripping. They thought they were leaking, but as it turns out, they're just dripping. No procedure necessary. Then I had a catheterization on my right side to see if there's any blockages or anything, and I passed that with flying colors. So, we're knocking along okay. This was weird. They did this. Sometimes they do it in your groin, sometimes they do it in your wrist. They started in my wrist and they gave up and they went to my neck. So I got it in the neck. It's sure to run anyway, I thought. From your neck down, you know. Got to be easier. But I was home by lunchtime, kicked back in the recliner, taking it easy. That's where I'm headed now.